Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making this super quick recipe of cheese stuffed whole chicken tandoori roast with vegetables. This is a simple, quick, easy recipe, so let's quickly get started. I'm using here the Cornish hen. This is easy to roast and it's a small baby chicken. At first, preparing the chicken for the marination, dabbing the excess water out of the chicken so that the moisture is not there. Then adding some lime juice, black pepper powder, yogurt, the tandoori masala powder. So this is a ready-made tandoori masala powder. I have used the Everest. You can use any brand of your choice. Then the ginger and garlic paste. Mixing all the ingredients well together to this baby Cornish hen. This looks so cute. Now I'm going to cut some slits into the Cornish chicken so that the marination gets in very nicely. Now adding some mustard oil, some garlic powder and some kasoori methi dry. All the details, measurements of the ingredients are already provided in the description box. Also providing some salt as per your taste. Now comes the stuffing part of the whole chicken. I'm adding some shredded cheddar cheese. You can add any cheese of your choice. You can add some butter too into it or any other stuffing. I like adding the cheese. It just comes out so well with the ingredients of tandoori masala and cheese together. Now I'm going to keep this for marination for 2 hours. Now it's ready for grilling. Spraying some cooking oil into the baby chicken, and then this is going to get ready to be grilled in the oven. I have preheated the oven already at 425 Fahrenheit. I'm going to grill it on one side for around 25 to 30 minutes. Look at it. After 30 minutes, this looks so perfectly grilled, but I'm going to again grill the other side of the chicken. So spraying some cooking oil and then stuffing the chicken once again with some shredded cheddar cheese. The more cheese you give it in, the more tastier and merrier this chicken is going to be. Now I'm going to cover the chicken with some foil so that the cheese does not ooze out of it. Now I will be roasting the chicken once again in the oven, the other side of the chicken, for another 25 minutes in the same temperature. Look at the chicken, how the cheese is oozing out of the chicken and it looks so yummy. Now I'm going to stir fry the vegetables. It's a very quick procedure. I have melted some butter. Now I'm going to add my choices of vegetables, the boiled ones, the broccoli, then brussel sprouts, some peas, carrots, and any other vegetables you want to, you can add it, and just stir fry it for some time. And going to add in this some black pepper powder, some garlic powder and salt to taste, and it's ready to be served. So I'm going to now arrange the chicken with the vegetables. So to arrange the chicken with the vegetables, the final touch, I'm using here one big white tray. It looks very pretty. I'm rubbing in some butter, and then the extra butter I have just put it inside the chicken. Then arranging the vegetables all around the roasted chicken. It looks really nice and colorful. Just look at it. I am cutting the chicken and it's so tender and juicy. It looks amazingly delicious and the smell is amazing. So everybody just try this recipe. This is seriously a very easy and a simple grilling process to make, and any one of you can just make it during this holiday season. So friends, happy holidays. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.